I never thought something as slow and simple as yoga could change my life. For the longest time, I believed yoga was just about flexibility or something you do to cool down. I was wrong. What started as a simple challenge to do yoga every single day for 30 days turned into a journey that impacted not just my body, but my mind, sleep, stress, and energy levels in ways I never expected. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what happened, the routine I followed, the mistakes I made, and most importantly, why you might want to try it too. Let's start with day one. I rolled out a basic yoga mat, opened up a beginner-friendly 20-minute video, and began. The first thing I noticed, my body was stiff, tighter than I realized. Even basic poses like downward dog, warrior pose, and cobra felt challenging. My hamstrings were pulling, my hips felt blocked, and my balance was shaky. I was sweating just from holding a few static positions. And mentally, I found it hard to slow down. My brain kept racing, but I committed to doing it every single day. No excuses. I started with short sessions, just 15 to 20 minutes, following beginner videos focused on mobility, breath work, and light stretching. The key in the first week was not to push too hard. I allowed myself to feel uncomfortable without forcing anything. Here's a basic structure of what my sessions looked like in week 1. Breath awareness, 2 minutes, just sitting in silence, focusing on inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. This calmed my nervous system. Neck and shoulder rolls, cat-cow pose, great for spine mobility and warming up the back. Downward dog and child's pose, flow, helps lengthen the spine, release tension in hamstrings and shoulders. Seated forward fold, stretches the lower back and hamstrings. Supine twist and corpse pose, savasana, deep relaxation to end the session. By week 2, I started noticing subtle but powerful changes. My posture improved. I wasn't slouching at my desk anymore. My breathing felt deeper throughout the day. I was sleeping better, and weirdly, I had more energy despite doing less intense workouts. I also started incorporating sun salutations, which are like dynamic yoga flows that link breath with movement. These increased my heart rate, challenged my strength, and improved my coordination. Every day I focused on different areas: hips and hamstrings one day, shoulders and upper back the next, core engagement through planks and boat pose, deep stretches and yin yoga for recovery. And here's what's fascinating. I didn't just feel better physically. Mentally, I was more calm, more focused, and less reactive. Even on stressful days, 20 minutes of yoga helped me reset. I was thinking clearer, handling problems with less frustration, and waking up feeling more grounded. By week 3, I increased the duration to 30 to 40 minutes. I also added more intermediate poses like Warrior 2 and 3, Triangle pose, Crow pose, which took me days to balance on properly. Chaturanga push-ups for upper body strength. My flexibility improved dramatically. I could touch my toes without bending my knees, something I hadn't done in years. My balance improved. Holding tree pose for 30 seconds on each side became easy. And perhaps the most surprising result? My lower back pain was gone. I used to feel stiffness after sitting for long hours, but yoga unlocked the tension in my hips and spine. The daily practice acted like therapy for my joints. By the end of week 4, 30 days straight, I had a new perspective on fitness. Yoga didn't give me six-pack abs or massive biceps, but it gave me something better: a body that felt light, pain-free, flexible, and connected, a mind that felt calm and focused, a sleep cycle that felt natural and restful. Here are my actual results after 30 days. Lost 3 kilograms of body fat without trying to diet, gained noticeable muscle tone in arms and core, increased flexibility and mobility, significantly better posture and balance, deeper, longer sleep every night, huge reduction in stress and anxiety levels, more mindful eating, and improved digestion. So the big question is, should you try doing yoga every day? Absolutely. If you're stuck in intense workout routines, dealing with stress, poor sleep, or just want to move better and feel more in control of your body, give yoga a shot. Start with 10 minutes a day. You don't need to be flexible. You don't need to be spiritual. Just show up, breathe, move. That's enough. There's a reason elite athletes, CEOs, and doctors are all turning to yoga, not just for the body, but for the brain and the soul. If this video inspired you to start, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more real fitness journeys and transformation stories. Drop a comment saying yoga starts today if you're beginning your own journey.